going to show you some exercises that are great for helping with a little bit of lower back pain. So let's start when you're ready. So let's pop on our backs and let's just have our hands just on our hips now. Let's have our feet and our knees in a band position and hip width apart. We're going to tuck the chin in towards the breastbone, bring in that tummy slightly and squeeze the pelvic floor. So we're just going to do some pelvic tilts. So we just want you to imagine that your pelvis is a bowl of water. Now this bowl of water is full to the brim. And we're going to pour the water in towards the belly button. So we're going to push the middle part of the back down and we're gently going to tilt the pelvis, pulling this tummy in slightly and squeezing that pelvic floor. And then we're going to release off. We're going to bring the water back to a level position. We're going to imagine that we're pouring the water now between the legs. And then we're going to come back again into a level position. And we're going to tilt the water back in towards the belly button. Nice and steady. We're going to incorporate our breathing. We're going to inhale as we tilt towards those legs. Nice and slow. And then exhale as we tilt that water in towards the belly button. Bringing that tummy in and up, really engage in that core. So imagine that you're just rocking that pelvis, going forwards and backwards, stretching through the lower back and the glutes. It's a really slow move, really good for releasing tension in the hips and the lower back. Just tilting the pelvis, exhale, pulling that tummy in and up, tilting that water in towards that belly button, and then inhale, back off again. Nice and slow. Let's just go a couple more times now. Tilting that pelvis, pushing the middle part of our back down, and then gently relaxing off again. Let's go one last one now. So we're going to exhale, going down, tilting that water into that belly button. And then inhale, we're going to relax back off again. Okay, let's just do some gentle knee hugs. So just bringing in this tummy slightly. We're going to bring one knee just in towards the chest. I'm going to hug the knee gently, pointing the toes slightly towards the ceiling. And then we're going to relax that leg slowly back down. And then the other side, lifting the heel, bringing that knee in, hugging that knee, pointing the toe, and then gently back down. Let's see if we can incorporate our breathing. We're going to exhale as we're bringing this knee in. Apply a bit of pressure into that knee, and inhale, back off again. And we're going to keep going nice and slow. It's a really nice move for stretching through the glutes and the lower back. If you suffer with a little bit of sciatica, this one's a really nice one to do, to just stretch through that glute, releasing the pressure around that sciatic nerve and lower back. Exhale, bringing that knee in now, and inhale, back off. Just hugging that knee, pointing that toe, nice and steady. Now if you suffer with a bad back, you can do this every day to just release the tension in that lower back. You can just do it in the morning or late at night, just before you go to bed, or any time throughout the day. When you're feeling your back just needs that little bit of help, just to release that little bit of stiffness. Let's make our next one our last one. Here we go. Exhale, coming in, and inhale, back again. Okay, let's sit nice and tall. Thank you for joining me. Hope you enjoyed it. A couple of few exercises to just keep in mind to get your backs moving. Hope you enjoyed it.